What's up, everybody? You got the car man from the RVA. We are dealing with a 2.7 and a Sebring, and what the problem is that every time I hit the gas, feels like it's just slamming metal, and little vibration on the takeoff between second and third. You see it sitting there. It seems to be idling nice and smooth, and I do know that it has a new motor mount in the front because I just did the starter and it was there. But I got this feeling that we're dealing with a bad set of motor mounts, and we're getting ready to find out if that's the case. So here we go. We're going to put this on view, and I'm going to test it. Just go ahead and put the car in drive. Hold down the brake while you do that, and then give it some gas. I'll go forward and reverse, and we'll see what happens. We'll see if that's actually our problem. But I've looked at everything, man. Everything looks good under the suspension. Even the struts, which I originally suspected, they seem to actually be in really good shape. So I'm going to go with my suspicion of the motor mounts, and let's just see if I'm right. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling like we might have a motor mount issue. Meanwhile, nothing but peace and love. Turn around and smash the like button if you like it. Take the time to subscribe and follow us on Facebook, and we will see you. Matter of fact, before I end this, there's going to be a playlist for all three motor mounts. So Sebring motor mounts playlist. And of course, it's going to be the test I just did, and then the front motor mount, the rear motor mount, and the side motor mount on the passenger side. Alright guys, see you on the next one.